Now we are going to do another application of turning points in order to solve problems. Look at this example. We're given a large tank in the shape of a cuboid is to be made from 54 meters squared of sheet metal. The box is surrounded from all sides by metal. The tank has a horizontal base and no top. So it is like an open box. There is a base, but there is no top. So here there is no top and it has a base. The height of the tank is x meters. Two of the opposite vertical faces are squares. So these two sides are squares. We need to remember that if it is a rectangle, then it is going to look like this. The blue dotted lines are the sides that we cannot see. And as we said, there is no top. Part A. Show that the volume V m cubed of the tank is given by V equals 18x minus 2 over 3x cubed. So the volume for the normal cuboid is length times width times height. Okay, now for the length, it is here. So this is y times the width. The width is here. So it is x times the height, which is this, and it is x. So it is going to be yx squared. Look at the formula. We don't have y. Thus, we need to make use of a given that is in the question in order to know the value of y in terms of x. Remember that the total area is 54 meters squared. So it is the area of all the sides of the box. Look, here we have two squares. So 2 times the area of the square, and the area of the square is x squared. Plus here we have 3 faces, 1, 2, 3. The area that is hidden, the base, and the side. So 3 rectangular shapes. The area for them is length times width. So y times x. All of these are equal to 54 meters squared. Okay, 2x squared plus 3yx equals 54. Remember, we want y, so let's organize it. 3yx equals to 54. We subtract 2x squared from both sides, so minus 2x squared. We want y to be alone, so we divide both sides by 3x. Y is equal to 54 minus 2x squared over 3x. Now we substitute here. The volume y, what is the value of y? It is 54 minus 2x squared over 3x multiplied by x squared. Let's organize this. It is going to be 54 minus 2x squared over 3 multiplied by x. Okay, now we divide. 18 minus 2x squared over 3, and all of it is multiplied by x. 18x minus 2 over 3x cubed. So we proved the volume. As a recap, here we had very simple information about the volume and the area of the basic shapes. We know that the volume is length times width times height. After writing the formula, we knew that y is missing, so we made use of the area which was already given, and it is already represented in the question. We obtained the formula for it, and we said that it has 2 squares and 3 rectangles. And after simple calculations, we verified the result.